Alright, hello ladies and gents. This is my first mega art book. As you can see, it was created and published in 2023. And let me make some adjustments here while I'm talking to you guys. Okay. And let's go through it. My first mega book. Let's go through it. Go to the table of contents. What we got here? First. Eyes, nose, galaxy boy, judo guy, bunch of characters I created. We'll go through and see everything now. Alright, here go the eyes. This book also can be, you can find this book on my website, phelpspublications.com or phelpspublishing.com. And many other books also. Nose, mouth, galaxy boy, shape of the head. Here's the start of it. I always start from the head and work from the body down when I'm creating in this book here. See how I work through it? See that? Head, then I erase the lines, get more details here, and then here we go to the final, just the final picture right there, Galaxy Boy. Okay. Girl on the board. I start with the head, outline where the nose and eyes and mouth are going to be, put the body, torso in, shoulders. I'm formatting right there. Then I get more detail here, add the eyes in, the hair, the little magic stick, and also the board down here, put the board in. Okay? You can pause this and get your pencil and paper and go along with me. Always pause it whenever you want. Here we go again, more details, erase the lines out. See that? Erase lines, add more detail over here in this bit portion here. You see the board is complete. The legs on the board. And here we go, there's a complete leg on the board right there. Do a little shade and then put some darks in there. And this is my first mega book. Go to my website, phelpspublication.com. Hero lady, let's look at the hero lady. Start with the head again. Format where the eyes and nose are going to be. Torso, arms. Okay. Now put in more details. For drawing the nose, eyes, hair. Format everything. See how I'm formatting it? Formatting it. Erase all the lines I don't need over here. See it? I'm shaking this thing. I see that's what I'm doing. There we go. There we go. And here's the final picture here. Release all the lines I don't know you need. Get more details, do the shade, you get the final picture of the next one. Starlight. I call him Starlight. Star with the head again. Torso. Arms. Fist. Put more detail in. Put in the eyes. Add more detail to the fist and the shoes. Over here. Let's go to the next page. Erase all the lines I don't need. See? You can put more detail in this one here. And then we come up with the final picture. We call it what? There he is. Put shades and these in there. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Edna-Reco, R-E-C-O Network. Edna-Reco Network. Judo guy. Big judo guy. Got his magic wand here. He got his dojo on his judo suit on, see? Put in the hair formatting. Eyes, hair, face, put more detail in that, see there? Pants, well, dojo outfit. Erase lines I don't need over here in this picture. You see? Let's go to the next one over. Get more detail here and here. And there we go. Judo boy, see there? Wow, he's a black belt. Is he a red black belt? Is he a purple belt? There's no color in this, so he might be a black belt. Big heads. Go look at big head. Start with the head, tilt it a little bit. See there? Put the torso in the body. Format the legs. Put the format. See how I format things first? Go over here, make more details in. Put the eyes in. Fingers. Shoes. Format. Erase the lines I don't need here. Okay. Then we put more detail in here after erasing the line over here. Then we come out with the final picture. And there we go. There you go. Okay, we're gonna go to part 2. This is part 1. Let's go to part 2. We're gonna get into drawing a cat sister. All right. See you in part 2. Again, don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Edna-Reco Network, and go to my website. Okay? Go to my website, phelpspublishing.com. Y'all have a great day now. A great day.